Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DaVinci Resolve for polished titles with Fusion. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Navigate to the Edit workspace from the bottom of the screen. Import your media by dragging it into the media pool. Drag your video clip onto the timeline. Select the clip in the timeline where you want to add a title. Go to the FX library located in the upper left corner. Scroll down and find the Titles section in the FX library. Drag your preferred title template onto a video track above your clip in the timeline. Click on the title in the timeline to open the inspector panel. In the inspector, customize the text by typing your desired title. Adjust the font, size, and color using the options available in the inspector. To refine your title further, right-click on the title clip and select Open in Fusion. This will open the Fusion workspace with your title. In Fusion, you'll see a default text node connected to a media node. Select the text node to customize further. In the inspector for the text node, you can change attributes like stroke, background, and shadows. To add effects, press Shift plus space to open the Add Tool menu. Search for and add effects like drop shadow, glow, or blur to enhance your title. Connect these new effect nodes to the text node. Fine-tune your effects using the inspector panel. To animate your title, select the text node and move the playhead in the timeline to the desired. Set keyframes for properties like position, scale, or opacity to create dynamic movements. Once you're satisfied with the title, switch back to the Edit workspace. Your custom title will now appear in the timeline. Preview your video to ensure the title looks polished. If adjustments are needed, double-click on the title in the timeline to re-enter the Fusion workspace. Make your edits and return to the Edit workspace to preview again. When you're satisfied, render your project to finalize your video with the polished titles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.